Alright, so I just got done making this cheese, but it was a little longer video, and I didn't put in my salad that I wanted to show you guys. So, let me go over this really quickly here and show you how I made this. So this is new. I've been making a lot of things. I tried mac and cheese. It was really good. Cheese sauce for nachos, good. I added my own chili powder to it. Popcorn, good. I made bread, and I put that in the bread, and that was good. And now I want to try to make block cheese with it. Oh, I had a bowl of nice broth, and when I got down to the last bowl, I put a little sprinkles in there, mixed it up, and it gave it a nice flavor. So here's what you do. You can use coconut cream, but right now I'm using this because I didn't have the cream on hand that I want. I need it for something else. 16 ounces or a can that's like 15 point something. It doesn't matter. Get yourself this. It could be vanilla. It could be regular. It won't matter. Whatever you have on hand or you want to buy. Just don't get it sweetened. So 16 ounces in your blender. 2 to 3 tablespoons of this, depending on how cheesy you like it. And 2 tablespoons of agar powder, which is a vegan gelatin from red algae. All right? So put that all in. 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3, and 16 ounces of whatever milk you want. I use either almond or coconut cream. Blend and blend and blend. Pour it in a small pot. Whisk on medium-high so it keeps bubbling and bubbling. Not boiling, but bubbling. And then take it off the stove after about 6-7 minutes. You got to activate the agar and keep whisking. And as it cools, pour it into whatever mold you have or a glass or Tupperware container, and it should pop right out, no problem, like that. And then you have block cheese. So let me show you the ingredients. Maybe. Hold on. There it goes. I did it before over here on this angle, worked perfect. Alright, so it says potato starch, nutrition yeast, tapioca starch, sea salt, coconut flour, garlic, onion, paprika, turmeric, xanthan gum, annatto powder, vegan cheese flavor. That's it. Alright. Go on their website to buy it. You get 15% off your first order, and it has a nice, real good flavor to it. So what I did is I cut it open, and I put it on my salad. It's got cucumbers and tomatoes and some romaine and avocado. And this is a vegan bologna. You can actually fry it up, and it turns into a hot dog taste. Otherwise, you just cut it up. It's called CPG Unmeat, UN meat. Comes in a can, and it tastes like bologna. Or you fry it up, and it tastes like a hot dog. So I use this cheese here. Now, unlike the regular nutritional yeast or when I use the vegan shaker Parmesan cheese as a base, this won't be good for pizza because it has a flavor to it. Like you got to try it to see, but it has some kind of flavor to it. But you know, in Mexican type foods, it will go good on salads. It will go good in tacos and stuff like that. But you got a nice block cheese for cheese and crackers as well if you want. Okay? And again, here is the name of it. All right, it's that simple to do. All right? Lots of love to you.